Okay, so I am doing the unboxing of the lash collaboration from Lil Mama and iEnvy by Kiss. First of all, this packaging, bomb, okay? This is so cute. All right, so this little strap here, I'm just really trying to figure out what else I can use this little box for, because I just don't want to get rid of it. It is absolutely just the cutest thing. So it has Lil Mama's name on it, iEnvy, and this cute little chain situation going on. So this is the box, the promo box that was sent out to makeup artists, influencers from iEnvy and from Lil Mama. So thank you both. Thank you, iEnvy. Thank you, Lil Mama. I'm super excited to be an ambassador for this. I love it. I really, really do. Okay, so slide it open. As such, okay, here we go. And so you can see it's clear. I mean, that's so, okay. But so it's 4 different styles, and I can already tell I'm gonna probably be y'all, I don't know. I really love all of them, but I bet 1 and 4 are gonna be my favorite because they're the type of lash, let's see, let me take it out. So 1 is like 4, but 4 is a little bit more dramatic than 1. But they're the type of lash that kind of is like, it goes from kind of short and it gets really full, then it kind of goes back to short, so it kind of makes like this curve effect. I love that type of lash on my eye. Of course, I switch it up for my clients based on their eye shape. And then 2 and 3 are kind of more of the style that starts off short and then fades into that longer length on the end. But they're different kind of, they look different. It's just that they do that same technique where they start off short and then get really long, but the style of them is different, if you can see. And so that is 2 and 3. I love all of them for sure. I cannot wait to try them. I don't know why I thought gravity was gonna be on my side for like 2 seconds. Dang. I'm gonna pick it up though. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. I got you, Lil Mama. Lil Mama said her lip gloss is not the only thing that's gonna be popping in 2020, okay? What y'all thought? See, she was speaking prophetically into her future, talking about my lip gloss popping. She didn't even know she was gonna be a part of the makeup industry years later. It's crazy how our words have power. I be trying to tell y'all that. Lil Mama said her lip gloss popping, but now her eyelashes popping, and what? So I love this collection. It's really, really cute, and I cannot wait to try it on myself and my clients. And thank you so much. Can't wait to dive in because it's like a little purse or something. Okay.